Hi friends, it's Liz here at Liz the Paper Project. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me today. I am unboxing the latest kit from your creative studio, and this is a subscription box I have shared with you guys many times before. Amanda is so wonderful to send me the beautiful kit that she curates every month, and this one I have to say is my most favorite so far. You guys, look at these dried flowers. I am so into those right now, and this is all about flowers and florals and spring. At least that's what it feels like to me. So she's got some stickers in this one as well. There's usually a combination of stickers and washi tape and some actual stamps, plus of course the the papers, the scrapbook papers, and just some excellent little pieces that that she has in these kits. I will do a quick project share with you at the end of the video, and also what I do like to do when I receive these boxes is it reminds me of my monthly giveaway. So yay, I've got another monthly giveaway for this month, and I can't believe it's May. I really can't believe it. Now, the kit I'm sharing with you guys right now, the subscription box I should say, was the April box, and I'm just uploading it now. I was a little delayed in doing so because of course I'm still having some editing issues. So I'm sure you guys have heard this before. I'm trying to figure out my voice recording as well, because I do voiceover sometimes, and this one I had to do a voiceover. As you guys know, we are all home, we are all with family, which we love, but that means that having a moment of quiet is a little difficult nowadays, and so I try to film first, and then when I have a moment, just do the voiceover, as you guys can see. So I'm just showing you here the washi tape that came in this one, which reminds me very much of a washi tape that came in another set before, and it's just a very nice neutral tone, so it goes with absolutely anything. And this looks like it's kind of like ripped pages maybe. So that's just beautiful, coffee stain looking pages. That stamp, that wooden stamp, looks amazing. And of course, I love the vellum that comes in these kits. Now, I have to say, with her subscription box, they usually sell out very quick. I think a couple months at a time. So if you haven't had a chance to check out her site, go ahead and check it out now. And every box is a surprise, my friends. So far, I have seen such a nice variety of pieces. These ones I absolutely love. As you guys know, I love using vellum in my journals and in my projects, and so these ones are very, very, very amazing. I can't wait to put these to good use. As I go through it, I guess just keep an eye on what I'm showing you, because it may have something to do with the giveaway that I'll be giving you more details at the end. I'm just so happy to be able to, use these pieces and create with them, and just have some fun with a new variety of items that come in. I think at this moment in time, it's even more amazing, you guys, to get these boxes, because I haven't really been shopping. I haven't gone out, of course. We're all supposed to stay home. And sorry, I'm just adjusting my camera here. I noticed it was kind of drifting away. So this was just like even better than a birthday gift or Christmas gift, because it's just those little bits of mail that come in, and that's why I love doing monthly giveaways as well, because it's just nice to get something in the mail, even if it's a little envelope with a little something. It's just so nice to get something other than bills at this point. So look at this stamp. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love the wooden stamps. So now she's also included these I think they're sticky notes, and there's 2 sets here. I've been journaling a lot. I've got, of course, just my regular journaling. As I mentioned to you guys, I enjoy just writing in my journals, but also my creative journal. There's just been so much going on with that, which I'm so happy about. And I will be doing a flip through of that soon as well. Look at these pieces. Now, these are the perforated little notebooks that are sent in, or I guess paper pads. And I love this one for sure with the different colors. I went ahead and took the packaging off of these. I think there's stickers. No, these are just paper tags, I guess, journaling cards and tags, but they're very thin. So they're very nice to use also in collages, which I am really trying my hand at. I'm loving trying collaging at this point as well. So as I was saying, I really enjoy, you know, these products that that she sends, and I love to share with you guys. So that I usually put a little package together to send to the winner, plus something that I've made, of course, and it's been going so great so far. This is, it feels like handmade paper to me, but I think it's rice paper. I think that's what it's called. It's beautiful. It has these little dried flower petals in it, I believe. And I think one of them even comes off as I'm doing this. And so it was just so nice to actually, you know, there it is. It's just, it's actual dried flowers. So it's just beautiful. I will be using this wisely because I don't have much of this paper, and it just feels so nice to the touch. Okay, so let me get into the little project. I think the thought process behind this is I actually had filmed a journal with me video, but it was just one of those moments that I wasn't sure if I wanted to share it or not. You know, I have those moments sometimes where I film something and then I'm thinking, does anyone really want to watch this? So I kind of put that aside and I move on to something else. So creating these quick projects I thought were so much easier because, again, I'm using most of the pieces that came in the kit. This little piece of scrapbook paper in the center that's got like the little kind of blue grayish undertones, I just happened to have that and I thought I wanted to use it up. So I started cutting it up into, I guess I thought journaling cards, but maybe tuck spots in journals as well, or pockets. I want to kind of, you know, dip my hands into collaging. I have to say that I am so impressed by those of you that do collaging on an ongoing basis. I find it very relaxing, but I don't have all that technicality of it. You know, a lot of people talk about, you know, colors and the number of pieces that should be in, or a focus point, or that kind of stuff. And I kind of go with what I like. If I like a piece, if I like a color, if a word speaks to me, that's sort of how I do it. And I'm not even sure, you know, if there is a right way to do any of this stuff. I personally don't think there is. I think, you know, just playing with the pieces is basically the joy that I get from it, and gathering bits and pieces that I have and putting them together. And that makes me so happy. At the end of the day, it just looks like a few pieces of paper put together on another piece of paper, but it really makes me happy. And I think at the end of the day, that's all I really am after, is enjoying the process, having a few moments to relax, and then just seeing, you know, something that came together that I had envisioned in a way. So that's basically what's happening now. I'm just going to be doing a couple of collages, or a few collages, I should say. I wanted to use some of these little wooden pieces. I don't use them often enough, I find, because they are a little chunky. So, you know, if you put them like on a page in a journal and then you're trying to journal on the other side, it'll kind of be all lumpy and kind of, it just doesn't make for a smooth surface. But I figure if I make them into like these kind of journaling cards or tags, they won't get in the way, because I can pull them out, you know, at any time, or put them back in. And it's just nice to have that sort of, you know, additional layer to the paper. So right now I'm just looking for, some more words. I keep my little cut up words in tins here, and I think these ones may have come from a variety of places. Maybe just calico collage, I'm not sure. But I just, I cut them up when I have a moment. I put them somewhere, and then this is kind of the thing that I do with words is I pull them out because I think at that moment they mean something, or it's kind of serendipity. It wanted to be on that page. That's just kind of my take on it. I don't know. But I like how it turns out, as I said, just kind of putting all the different layers together, playing around with what I think I might want to add, and then of course deciding that was not what I was after in the first place. So again, I've mentioned this to you guys before. For me, it's about the enjoyment of it. So for the giveaway, I will include some of the pieces that you have seen that I have shown you in the video that came in the subscription box, as well as some other handmade items that I will make for you, and some additional ephemera that I will include in the giveaway mail. So I hope that you want to join the giveaway, and I will have details on how to do that very shortly. I've done two. I think what I'm going to do now is just glue everything down. I'm trying to decide if I want to add one more piece to this tag here that I'm working on. And I do end up adding a stamp, but it's not this one. I had these like postage stamps, like round ones, and I thought that the circle one was much better than the square. So that's what I added at the bottom here, if you can see that. I like the layers, like I said, of the wood just peeking through, and I could easily punch a hole in the top of these and make them tags, or leave them as they are and they become little pockets or tuck spots in a journal. I can always journal in the back of them, send them in, happy mail, etc. The other thing I wanted to try, which I have done before in my journal with me videos, is I've kind of done a fake kind of bouquet of flowers. And the stickers in this kit really inspired me to do that. So I just folded up a piece of this sewing pattern paper and kind of made it look into like a little, kind of bouquet wrap or whatever you might going to call that. And then I thought I would just put one of the stickers in there because it looks like they're, peeking out. So I like to play with that sometimes. And the ones I have done before, I've either used some of the die cuts, there's like the Tim Holtz flowers and that kind of stuff in them. And of course, just, stickers, etc. So I just like those and I like the way they turn out. So anyways, if you've stayed with me this far, thank you so much for joining me again. I would like you to answer a couple questions for me for the giveaway. What were your favorite pieces that I showed? And also, where are you watching me from? I absolutely love connecting with you guys and finding out where you're watching me from. Last time I did this, I was so excited to find out so many countries are watching me. And thank you all so much for subscribing, for liking my videos, for connecting with me. I appreciate it so much, especially at this point in time. I read all your comments, and I hope you enter the giveaway. All the details of entering will be left in the description box below. And if you have any questions, as always, please leave them below. So thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye.